I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You sign into Google Ads and go straight to the Keyword Planner. This is the only reliable path for granular Google keyword data. Once there, paste 1-3 seed keywords or a landing page URL and make sure to set location and language so results match your audience. Click Discover New Keywords and get results. This immediately generates search volume and trend data. You're acting on real user intent. That's why you start here, rather than guessing from secondary tools. Now you examine the metrics. Average monthly searches, competition, and top-of-page bid. These numbers tell you demand and cost. Once done, apply filters, narrow by search volume, competition, or include/exclude specific words, so results focus on viable targets. Compare broad versus phrase versus exact match ideas to understand intent differences. Add the most relevant keywords to your plan. This creates a shortlist you can export. You do this to prioritize terms that balance traffic potential, with finish by exporting your keyword list to CSV. You then group keywords into themes: informational, commercial, transactional, and map each group to a page or ad group. Prioritize by user intent, search volume, and estimated CPC so you target high-value opportunities first. Implement those keywords in content, meta tags, or ad copy and monitor performance. If you see no data, broaden the date range or location, or check related queries. That troubleshooting step fixes sparse results without guessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.